Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be unboxing my new pair of astronomy binoculars, the Celestron SkyMaster 25x70s. Now, before I begin, I just want to quickly mention that if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, as I will be following up this video with my review of them in a week or so's time, once I've had a chance to use them and to put them to the test. So, I'm going to open this up now. As you can see, this is what arrived in the post. Now, I actually bought these binoculars for three different reasons. Firstly, the spec itself. Secondly, the fact that I am hoping to use these for handheld stargazing. And lastly, Celestron, it's such a reputable brand. So this is the box that arrived, and I have already just opened this up purely because of these, and I'm obviously holding my phone in my right hand, so I want to make this video as kind of useful as possible without having to put the phone down. And ironically, I haven't actually got a tripod yet for my phone for my recordings, and again, tripods with these binoculars is another option, but we'll get into that in due course. So it's obviously come in this bigger box, so let me quickly just show you that. So it's obviously quite secure in that box here, and it's been bubble wrapped as well. So let me just try and slide this out. I obviously don't want to damage anything, but I want to give you a glimpse of what to expect should you proceed to buy these binoculars. So let's get that down. And if at any point you do want to buy these binoculars, then I would suggest you do so from Amazon. That's where I got mine, and there'll be a link in the description below to head straight over there and get them. So here we go. So here is the box. Obviously looks absolutely fantastic, actually. I wasn't quite expecting this. And at the top here, you can see this seal. So that's how you know they're new. I bought them from new because you can buy them used. I just wanted to get them brand new. So here we can see the specifications of these binoculars, and as you can see here are the accessories as well that you get. So an objective, lens caps, a rain guard, a carrying case, which is nice, an X strap, and a lens cloth. So quite a lot of additional extras there. So let's now delve into it. So this is the side of the box. And at the bottom here, actually, this is good to say, there is a lifetime warranty. Oh, a limited, it says. I think it's a couple of years with Celestron. I think it's 2 years, but don't quote me on it. Something to check out for sure. But there is a guarantee, which is always good to know. So this is where it gets interesting. With my one hand, I'm going to try and pierce this. I don't want to damage anything. I've got a pair of scissors. There we go. I just wanted to cut that just to get obviously into the box. But I wanted to show you that, you know, I have not opened this before. It's exciting for me, to be honest. So let's now, so this is obviously well protected. You can see, very well protected. At the top, it looks like we've got some, the case. Oh, actually, it all comes in the case. That's quite cool. So as you can see here, we've got this booklet that comes. So let me just quickly put that out of the way. So it all comes in this. So that's the case itself, as you can see. And I'm actually just holding that up. It's actually really lightweight. Well, not lightweight, but you know, I'm doing that with one hand quite easily. So that's really good. So obviously handheld binoculars, it's going to be important, the weight, because we don't want to get tired when we're looking. So let's just have a quick look through this manual. I won't go through this because I know you want to see the binoculars, don't you? So do I, to be honest. But I just want to quickly show you what you get in this document. So yeah, pretty much it's a guide to get the most out of them. So obviously how you can adjust the focus, how to set up the rubber eye caps, how you can use a tripod if you wanted to, a little bit about care and cleaning. Obviously, there's an overview here of the different components and a breakdown of what they are. So yeah, this is actually just quite a nice document, really. I'm going to be referring back to this before I do my review, and it's in a couple of different languages. So it's a one-pager, but just bear that in mind. It is a quick reference guide, which will be nice for when I use it. So there's that. Now, let's finally look at these binoculars, shall we? So that's got a nice kind of Velcro closing and opening. So, oh, these are nice. Look at these. Ready? Let's try and do this without. So here they are, and we're looking into size as well. So they come in this extra packaging, which keeps them very nice and protected. Again, we've got some of this, and that's where I believe that's the adapter, or the tripod adapter. So we can have a quick look at this. So obviously if you want to mount it and start, you know, looking at, maybe if you want to have some stargazing for some extended periods, and this is going to come into use. So let's just actually have a look at these binoculars. It's what we're all here for. So I'll give you my first impressions as well. So here's the caps to protect the lenses. So that's like a rubber material. That looks quite nice. Now if we get them out, God, the anticipation is building. Right, here we go. So let's put them down and let's have a quick look at them. So first and foremost, they're quite lightweight, probably a little bit bigger than I was expecting. That's my hand, so you can see that against them here. But yeah, at the same time, they've got these nice grips, and I'm just gonna, let me just put them in one hand just to see. So yeah, I'm holding this in my left hand, and you know what, that's not too heavy. I can hold them, I reckon, for an extended period of time. But again, as we said, if you want to get a tripod, you can, and that's the beauty of them. So here, obviously, you can see the ability to kind of focus. You've got the eye caps here. They're a nice, got a nice rubber on the end. Obviously, that means nothing to you, but I thought I'd just show you that anyway. You can see the branding here. So this is where you're going to hold it. You've got some nice grips, which is really, really cool. And let's now just quickly take these off, just to show you inside. So obviously amazing. And I'm just really excited to use these. Yeah, that really is all I can really show you in an unboxing video. That's all you get. That's all the parts you get. You get this nice travel case, which is brilliant, and you get that document as well. There's the box. So yeah, this is the video. I'm really impressed with how they've come already. Very well packaged, and they look fantastic. They're not too heavy, and I just can't wait to get started. So this is the unboxing video. Do subscribe, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to see or watch my review of these binoculars, who I think they're best for, pros, cons, and I'll talk about some of the things I've been able to see with them. But yeah, that's it for this video. Do like it if this was useful, and do drop a comment down below if you want me to review any other astronomy equipment. Maybe you're looking at a particular telescope, another set of binoculars. Let me know, and I will get them, and I will review them for you. I'll do unboxings, etc. So yeah, with all that said, I hope you have an excellent day.